Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify access log sync for Ring alarm and protect step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Ring app on your mobile device. Log in using your credentials if prompted. Once you're logged in, locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the menu icon to open the sidebar. Select the devices option from the list. Find and select your Ring alarm system from the list of devices. After selecting your alarm system, look for the Activity or History section. In the Activity section, you will see a list of recent events. Next, switch to the Protect device you want to verify. Repeat the process by locating the Activity or History section for the Protect device. Compare the timestamps of the logs in both the Alarm and Protect sections. Ensure that the corresponding events have matching timestamps. If the timestamps align, your logs are synchronized. If there's a discrepancy, check your internet connection. Make sure both devices are connected to Wi-Fi. If issues persist, consider restarting your router. After restarting the router, check the logs again. Confirm that any recent events appear in both device logs. If they still do not sync, you may need to contact customer support. Document any discrepancies that may help in troubleshooting. Repeat the verification process periodically to ensure ongoing synchronization. This process will help maintain the accuracy of your security logs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.